Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news our dollar is sharply lower this morning. But first, the Germans are conceding that Greece will need a third bailout. That's on top of the 240 billion euros already provided, which doesn't include the 100 billion haircut that Greek bondholders had to take. But this time, the Germans say bondholders won't be asked to stump up more concessions. All this is necessary to keep Greece solvent and meet its current debt financing costs. By the way, the IMF disagrees with Germany and said on its no more haircuts stance. It says more debt forgiveness may be necessary. The emerging market sell-off is gathering steam and international investors have turned risk off. We're getting buffeted in a small way here at the margin. US Treasury yields fell, bond prices rose overnight. Yesterday's imposition of mortgage loan controls by the Reserve Bank had a small part to play. A bigger part was from the RBA minutes that signalled rate cuts across the ditch are still on the agenda there. And so far, the relatively good Fonterra dairy auction this morning, which saw prices up 2.3% since the last auction 2 weeks ago, and up 62% on the year, while volumes sold at this auction were 30% higher than for the same time last year. All this has had no effect on our currency, although it might have kept it from falling more. In New Zealand dollars, however, the rise was only 1.4% above the previous auction. Still, it was a rise and a good result despite the recent product tainting issues. New Zealand dollar starts today significantly lower at 79.8 US cents, 87.8 Aussie cents, and the TWI is down nearly 100 basis points at 74.9. And finally, check out our new economic calendar tool. This is a great way to stay on top of the latest data releases, even if we don't run stories on them all. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.